Welcome back to the channel, PBR Acres. So as you can see in the background, fall is upon us. We're getting closer. And with that, I've been doing an awful lot of work out at the off-grid cabin. And I haven't really had too many of these projects finished up, but everything's a work in progress. I'm working on the cabin, working on trails. All right, here's our main trail. And here is the trail that goes out to where I like to hunt. Got a little bit of sand moved in here. Just trying to even things out a little bit. I won't be able to bring this all the way back to the stand, but this area here is good to go. Working on food plots. Working on, we're building those stands right now too. Here's my deer stand right here. As you can see, I use a ladder stand, but upcoming here, I'm going to have a video on building an elevated stand out here. So stay tuned for that. But just as a quick update, you know, I kind of wanted to go through and show you what we've done with the off-grid cabin. As you know, this cabin was built probably about 4 years ago, and it was just kind of left, you know, in a raw finish. But we have since gone through, finished the outside. So I bought some tin corners in order to get those finished up. And the obvious thing that you can see is we now have stain on everything. So I think you'll agree that the cabin looks a heck of a lot nicer with stain on it.